cake line is. Put 4 cups of Cocoa Puffs into a big bowl. Add 1 cup of coconut. Add 1 cup of icing sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Get an adult to melt 250 grams of cocoa. Pour the melted cocoa into the bowl. Stir the bowl until all the ingredients are mixed. Now we spoon the mixture into the patty cake. Put all of the chocolate crackles in the fridge for 1 hour. In 1 hour, take the chocolate crackles out of the fridge, and then you can eat it. They're cold. They're cold. They're very good. Don't forget to like and subscribe.